this video, we are going to look at the example problems in section 12.4. First, we're given this. Suppose for a given distributions, x equals 340, x bar equals 340, and s equals 22. We want to find the z-scores to the nearest hundredth for these items within the distribution. So the formula for the z-score is z equals x minus x bar divided by s. So if x equals 342, then z equals, 349. 349 minus 340 divided by 22 is 9 over 22, which is approximately 0.41. And since we only do z-scores to the nearest hundredth, that is exactly what we need it to be. If x equals 300, we've got 300 minus 340 over 22, which is negative 40 over 22. Or approximately negative 1.82. For 382, z equals 382 minus 340 over 22 gives us 42 over 22, which is about 1.91. Next up. Here we have a population, or a data set rather, and we are asked to find the percentiles, the 65th percentile and the 88th percentile. So to do this, the first thing we need to do is to find the 65th percentile is the item below which 65% of the items are ranked. Since 65% of 40 is 0.65 times 40, which is 26, we take the 27th item or 68. And we write this as P sub 65 equals 68. For the 88th percentile, we need to take 0.88 times 40. Okay, well, that's 35.2. So for this case, we will find the 36th value. Okay, well, that would be 75 right here. Now we're going to talk about deciles. Deciles are basically the same thing, except now instead of dividing the set into 100 groups, 100 groups, we're going to divide it into 10. And so the fourth decile is exactly the same as the 40th percentile. So what we do is we take 0.40 times 40 gives us 16. So we'll round up to the 17th value. So D40, D4. Okay, 17, the 17th value is 64. Now we want to find the three quartiles. The quartiles are calculated differently. We find the median, and then the median of the stuff below the median, and the median of the stuff above the median. Well, the median is going to be the average, or the mean, of 65 and 66. That's going to be Q2. equals the mean of 65 and 66 is 65.5. Then Q1, well, that's just going to be the mean of the median of the 20 values below 65.5. So that'll be the median of 59 and 60, or 59.5. And Q3 will be the median of the 20 values above 65. We take the mean of 69 and 70, which is 69.5. And there are our three quartiles. Next, we are asked to construct a box plot for the 40 weekly study times of an example in the first section of this chapter. Here are those values. And one way we do this is to give a stem and leaf display. You can start by giving a stem and leaf display. So we get this stem and leaf display. Since the values are ranked, that helps us. We get there is our stem and leaf display. The median of these values is 33, since here we have the two central values. So that's going to be Q2. We've got from our stem and leaf display, or from our original set of data values, because we got that and that, we can easily see that Q1 is 24.5, and Q2, or Q3 rather, gives us 44.5. Honestly, I don't know why we set up that stem and leaf display. That's just the way the book is doing it, and I like just going from this better because they're already arranged in exactly the form we need. We've got the minimum and the maximum are 12, and the max is 72. So now we need to take a line. We'll start with this. We'll start with our quartiles, and they look kind of like this. Here is 24.5. Here is 44.5. And here in the middle, there's our median, which is 33, slightly closer to the 24.5 than the 44.5. Then we extend a line way out here to 72. And just a little ways back here to 12. And there is our box plot. All right, that's it for this video. If you've got any questions, please get in touch.